Yeah, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start question 8th, 9th and 10th of the exercise 11C. Right? In this exercise on that day we have discussed that you have taken out the area of the quadrilateral or a polygon. In a quadrilateral or a polygon, quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. Any shape which is a four-sided. Okay, maybe a trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, okay, square, rectangle, okay. So in this you have taken the area, okay, and you are having a polygon which is having more than four-sided shape, okay. So here you are having a shape in front of you. It is having more than four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sides. So it is a hexagonal. This is a hexagonal, which is having 6 sides. So you have taken the area of this complete shape. So I told on that day you have to split the shape in 2 parts or 3 parts or in 4 parts. Okay. Firstly, check it out. This contain what kind of shape is it is having? Can you tell me this complete shape is having what shapes? In how many shapes I can split this shape? In how many shapes? See, tell me in trapezium, in square, in rectangle, or in how many shapes? Avika, very good. Hardik, yes. Chaitanya, Swayam, very good. Jasmine, right. Jaideep, right. Yes, very good. So in this hexagonal there is a trapezium and there is a square. You can see that 16 centimeters, 16, all sides are same. Okay, all sides are same. So you have to predict that what kind of shape it can be, what kind of shape it will be, right? So it is a square. After that there is a trapezium. Okay, in trapezium 2 sides will be parallel to each other. These 2 are non-parallel sides. These can be anything. Okay, can you tell me if I'll take this square, okay, this one square, what is the side of square? What is the side of square given to you in this shape? Very good. Yeah, side is very good. Side is given 16 centimeter. Right? Okay. So I can take out area of square. Okay, area of square is yes, quickly. Very easy. Yes, no, Avika. 4 into side is wrong. Rakshit, right. Hardik Rana, right. Jaideep, right. Yes. Aniket, no. Angel, right. Abudya, right. Area of square is side square. Or you can write side into side. Okay. Now I am going to take this trapezium. Now I am having a trapezium. Okay. For trapezium, I want 2 parallel sides and a height. Tell me 2 parallel sides are given. 2 parallel sides are given this trapezium. It's given. Hardik, it's given. This is a parallel side. This is 1. This is 8 centimeter, and this is square. Okay. So if this is 16, this will be also 16 centimeter. This will be also 16 centimeter, right? No? Right? Because this is a square. All sides will be same. Okay? So these 2 parallel sides are given. These 2 are B1 and B2. B1, B2 are given. And you need one more thing for trapezium, that is height. Height is given of trapezium. Quickly tell me. Height is given. Very good. Yeah, height is given. Please tell me what is the height of this trapezium. Yes. Very good. Yes, height is 7 centimeter. If it is written here or here, that is same thing. Okay, that is same thing. If it is given here inside, that is a height. If it is given outside, that means this is also a height. Okay, so height is given, B1, B2 given. We can take out area of trapezium. After that, you have to add both the area of square, area of trapezium. Right? Okay. Now we'll take out one by one both the areas. The PDF which I'm sending you, okay, in that I have taken out the combined area. You can take out combined area of trapezium plus area of square. You can write in this way. That is absolutely correct. Or you can write down one by one. Area of trapezium, take out the answer. Area of square, take out the answer, and then go for the addition. That is also absolutely correct. Okay, Neerav, please check your internet connection once. And announcement for everyone, those who are sitting in the class, switch on the video immediately. Ashima, Avni, Aditya Sasdeva, Amanat, you know that, whose videos will be off. After 2 minutes, I'm going to remove these students from the grade. Samir Lathar, switch on the video quickly. Rahil, Jasmine Kaur, switch on the video immediately. Now let's start. So you have to take out the area. Area of figure or area of hexagonal, okay? That is A, B, C, D, E, F. The naming is not given in your book. You can see the figure is given in the book, but name is not given. You can mention the name according to you. Okay, you can mention M and O, P. You can mention A, B, C, D, but please, whenever you are writing a name, that should go in the sequence. Some are writing in this way. Please look here. Some are writing in this way. A here, B, C, D. That is absolutely wrong. A figure will go in this way. Right? Clockwise. Write down the name properly. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Now, let's start. Area figure A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So, it is equals to area of trapezium. Mention the name. Area of trapezium. Which trapezium? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Please look at the board very carefully. Okay, I'll give you next questions. Area of trapezium A, B, C, D. Next is area of square. Area of square A, D, E, F. A, D, E, F. You have to add both the areas. Okay, area of trapezium is, you know that, 1 by 2 into B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2 into height. Okay, this is area of trapezium, plus area of square is side square. Right? Okay? Now, 1 by 2, but just put the value 1 by 1. B1 and B2. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16. Multiply by height is how much? 7. Okay, bracket close, plus side square, that is 16 square. Okay? Now, 1 by 2, 16 plus 8, how much? Very good, 24 into 7. So, I am going to cancel. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Okay? And 12 sevens are. 12 sevens are quickly. Very good. 84. Okay? Now, comes to here. 16 square. Immediately, everyone has to tell. 16 square. 16 square. Very good. 16 square is 256. 256. Okay? Now add both. 84 plus 256 is equals to, quickly add it. Quickly. 84 plus 256, that is 340 centimeter square, because the area will always come in centimeter square. This is your answer. This is your answer. Any doubt in the question? Yes, everyone? Sure? Hardik fine? Arna fine? Avika right? Okay. Ashpreet, Neerav, yes. Okay. Let me ask from some students. Arush Parmar, it's clear? Okay. Hardik Lathar, switch on the video immediately. Jaskirat Singh, Krishma Miglani, Love Dora, and Parth, switch on the video immediately. Tanvi, 8th awesome. You can see that 3 students are already sitting in the waiting room because their videos were off. I'm not going to allow them to enter in the grade now. Okay. So let's start with the next question. Okay, Aditya Dabur, what's going on? Aditya, Jadeep, it's clear, Jadeep? Okay, Vanya. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the next question. I'm going to erase. Let me check the query once. Okay, Rasham, Jasmine, Abudya. Okay, let's start with the next question. Okay, just see to it. In your book, in 9th question, 4 parts are given. Okay, just see the figure of the first part. Figure of first part, in how many shapes we can split the figure, in how many shapes. Okay, question 9, first part. Yes, please take it out. How we can take out the answer solution of this question? The figure is this. A right angle triangle is given. Okay, so you can see that we can take one triangle in this question. Avika, no, we can't take rectangle here. Quickly, again go through with the question. Triangle we can take, absolutely right. Okay, after that, one more shape is there. In which shape I can split the term. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is given to you as 12 centimeter. This is given as 5 centimeter. This is given 3 centimeter. This is on a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So this is perpendicular. This is a height. Always see that if anything is there on 90 degree, that will be always a height of that shape. Okay, now this is given to you, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, one more thing. 2 arrows are given. 2 arrows are given. This arrow and this arrow. What is the meaning of these 2 arrows? Meaning of these 2 arrows? Yes. Chaitanya, very good. Manik, yes. Avika, again. Anshuman, again. Nikansh, right. Rakshit, right. Abhinav, right. Nikansh. Jaskaran, 8. Florence, are you sleeping in the grade? Anshuman, Angel, right. Manik, right. Yes. If these 2 arrows are given, that means these 2 lines are going in the same direction. Okay, these 2 lines are going in same direction, and those lines are going in same direction, that are the parallel lines. Okay, so we are having a shape which is having 2 sides which are parallel to each other. That is a trapezium. Okay, so we can take in this complete shape, this is as trapezium and this is as triangle. Okay, so we can split the complete diagram into 2 shapes, trapezium and triangle. Right? Okay, I'm going to write the name. Name is A. See, if you are going to start the naming from here, then go up to this way, or you can go up to anti-clockwise. But that should be in a proper sequence. A, B, C, D, E. Okay? This is again on 90 degree. Right? So, I'm writing here area of figure A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I'm going to split the complete diagram into 2 parts. Okay, that is area of triangle, that is ABC, triangle ABC plus area of trapezium, that is AEDC. AEDC, right? Okay. Now, first of all, tell me the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Okay. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay. And area of trapezium, you know that half into B1 plus B2 into height. Okay. Right. So half into base into height. Please tell me what will be the base here of this triangle. Base. Base is very good. Yes. Base is very good. That is 12. Okay. Okay. Now tell me what will be the height. Height of this triangle. Height of this triangle. Very good. Yes. Yes. Right. So height of this triangle is 5 centimeters. So it is equals to 12 into 5. Okay, plus 1 by 2 into B1. B1 is this parallel sides. This parallel side. Okay, that is 7. Okay, B2. What is B2? B2 is given. B2 is given in this question. Yes, B2 is not given. Okay, parallel sides means, see, some students are doing this mistake that this is 7 and they are writing this also 7. Parallel sides means they are going in same direction but they can't be equal. One can be short and one can be long. Okay, they can't be equal. They can't be equal. Okay, so you have to take out this. This is not given. This B2 you have to take out. I'm writing B2 as it is. Multiply by height is given. Height is given of trapezium. Very good. Yes, height is given. Yes, height is given. That is 3 centimeter. This is on 90 degree. So always if any line is on 90 degree, that is the height of that shape. So that is 3. Okay. So if I want to solve this, I want to take out the height, B2. Okay. I want first of all B2. So I'm going to solve B2 here on this side. Okay. So B2 is, can I take this right angle triangle? In this right angle triangle, this will be my height. This will be the, yes, please tell me. In this right angle triangle, this will be what? This will be what? Hypotenuse. Very good. Hypotenuse. Okay. This will be hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, by applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. I'm going to take out this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular is 5 centimeter. Base is 12 centimeter. Okay. Hypotenuse square is equals to 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. Is equals to 25 plus 144, 169. Now remove the square. Remove the square. That will become under root. Under root of 169. 169 is a square of. It is a square of which number? Very good, Chaitanya, Hardik, Dharya, Angel, Neerav, Rakshit. It is the square of 13. So under root will remove. You just have to write the value. Some are doing mistake. This also they are keeping under root as it is. Under root will be removed automatically when you will write the square root value here. Okay, so this will be equals to 13 centimeter. So hence we have taken out B2. B2 is 13. Okay, now put in the question. First I am going to cancel this. 2 1s are 2 6s are. Okay, 6 5s are 30 plus half into B1 plus B2, 7 plus 13 multiply by 3. Okay, 30 plus 1 by 2 into 7 plus 13 is how much? 20 multiply by 3. 2 1s are 2 10s are. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 30 is equals to 60 centimeter square is your answer. Any doubt? Everyone, any doubt is there? Yes. Hardik right, Chaitanya right, Rakshit, Anshul 8, awesome. It's clear. Anshul, your video is post. Anshuman right, Abudya right. Yes, Vikrant Chima, Keshav Bansal, Dipanshu. I'm going to ask now next part from you students. Okay, Vikrant Chima, be attentive. You have to tell me now, okay, in the other parts, how I can split my figure, in how many shapes. and then tell me the formula of those shapes. In this question, you have to split the shape into two parts. This is first, this is second. Okay, in two parts. Okay, this is a triangle and this is trapezium. Just put the formula: half into base into height of triangle, half into b1 plus b2 into h, that is of trapezium. Okay, everything was given to us except b2. b2 was not given. So I have taken up this b2 with the Pythagoras theorem. b2 will be my hypotenuse. Okay, and hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Take out the value of hypotenuse, that is the b2. Put the value, cancel the terms, take out the answer. Area will come in square, centimeter square. Some are writing square in this way in the paper. 60 square. Wow. 60 square. 60 square will not come. 60 will be as it is, centimeter square. Right. Dipti a thousand. Are you getting the concept? Pratham a thousand. It's clear, Pratham? How we have to split the figure, how we have to take out the solution of the question? Yes. Shraddha, right. Lakshita. Amanat. 8 Florence. Okay, Arush. Anush Chaudhary. Some are giving me the direct response, always. And some are not giving response. I'm asking to those students which are not giving the response. Okay. So let's start with the next part. Second part. Immediately read out the figure. Immediately. Go through with the figure. In how many parts I can split the shape quickly. Because now in this part I'm going to unmute some students. Okay? Third part will be your homework. Quickly mark third part in your book. Aniket, be active in the class. I'm going to ask you now. I'm going to unmute you. Don't make faces now. Right? You never ever sit attentively in the class. I know how many are sitting attentively in the class. Third part is your homework. Quickly mark this third part for the homework. Quickly. You have to see to it in how many parts I can split the shape. This exercise is very important and very, very easy. Just it is based upon your understanding. Right, so whatever is given, you have to write down in the figure. Always make figure in the paper and in the notebook. Without figure, I will not give you marks. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, this complete is given, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, this is given 10 centimeter. Right? Okay, so let me write the naming. Naming is, you can provide any name to the shape. Okay, A, B, C, D or M, N, O, P. Okay, I'm going to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? In anti-clockwise or in the clockwise. Just the thing is that it should be in a sequence. So area of figure A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Now, you have to split the shape in how many parts? Let me ask one by one. Aniket, sit properly in the class. The camera should be properly visible to me. Mishika. Mishika, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Mishika, please tell me, I can split this complete shape in how many parts?
Ma'am, we can split in two shapes. First, we can split it in rectangle.
Yes.
First one shape and second shape we can split in trapezium.
Trapezium, very good. One in rectangle, one in the trapezium. Right, very good. Please unmute yourself. Very good. Rasham, come on the mic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rasham. Okay, Rasham, please tell me. Area of, first of all, we have taken area of
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay, next will be the area of
Ma'am, trapezium.
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 Trapezium, okay? Write down the name also, okay? Space is not there, so I'm not writing. Tell me the area of rectangle first of all. Formula of area of rectangle.
Ma'am, length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Very good. Plus area of trapezium formula.
Ma'am, 1 by half into B1 plus B2 into height.
Okay. One more thing. Please tell me what is length and breadth of a rectangle.
Ma'am, length is 5 centimeter
Yes.
and ma'am, breadth is 4 centimeter.
Okay. 4 centimeter. Rasham, please mute yourself quickly. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhinav, 8th awesome. Abhinav, please come on the mic quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav, please tell me, this is the area of trapezium, right? For this trapezium, B1, B2, two parallel sides are given to us or not? Yes,
Not given.
it is given. It is given. Okay, please tell me what is the AB and parallel? Yes, yes.
Parallel sides are AB and
And yes,
AD.
parallel sides are AB and FC. These two are the parallel sides of a trapezium. Right? Now please tell me what is the AB? What is AB? What is AB given to us? AB given to us. Quickly. That is 10. Mute yourself. Sit properly in the class. Attentively in the class. Mute yourself quickly. Aniket, 8th Blossom. Unmute yourself quickly. Aniket. Aniket, this AB is 10 centimeter. Please tell me quickly what is FC? What is FC?
And your voice not coming.
Don't give me silly excuses, right? You can leave the class immediately, Aniket.
Ma'am, 10 meter.
10 centimeter is the AB. Okay, what is FC? FC. Yes, yes. FC is equals to ED. You can see that. Both are equal. ED is 4, then what will be FC? If ED is,
Centimeter.
yes, 4 centimeter, right? Multiply the height. What is the height of this trapezium? This complete is 10. This much is 5. Then what will be this much? Minus this and this. Quickly.
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. Trapezium height will be 10 minus 5. That is 5. Okay. Now unmute yourself. Mute yourself quickly. Yes, everyone, please tell me area of rectangle. Everyone, I'm reading your messages. Yes, quickly. Very good. Area of rectangle is 20. Okay, please tell me the area of trapezium quickly. Area of trapezium. Everyone. Yes, that is equals to 55 centimeter square. This will be the answer. Any doubt is there? Any doubt is there? How you have to split that shape? How you can take out the areas? If anything is not given, just see to it how. Suppose in the last question B2 was not given. You have to see to it how we can take out the B2. How we can take out that side. Okay? And that is absolutely possible with the shapes. Okay? Now third part is your homework. I'm going to ask now fourth part from everyone. Fourth part. Yes. Read out the question quickly. Fourth part. Read out. Whose turn has not come, now their turn will be in this fourth part. Okay? See the shape. Which shape is given to you? Fourth part. Which shape is given to you? Yes. Quickly see to it. In this question, this is your figure. Okay? Now you have to see how we can split the shape in how many parts. Right? This is given 5 centimeter. This is again given 5 centimeter. This length is given 11 centimeter. Okay, this is given 13 centimeter. This complete. Okay, 13 centimeter. Right? This is given 20 centimeter. Everything is given to you. Okay, this is given to you 6 centimeter and this is given to you 4 centimeter. Okay, these are the heights. These are the heights. Right? So, time is about to over. I'm going to unmute some students. I just want to ask in how many parts I can split the shape. Okay, let me write the naming also. You can give any name but give in a sequence, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So area of figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, I can take out the area. How I can take out the area? Very good, Lakshita. Some has given the correct answer. Very good. Ashpreet Kaur. Ashpreet Kaur.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ashpreet. Please tell me in how many parts I can split this complete shape?
Ma'am, 3 figures.
3 figures. Okay. Please tell me what are the name of those figures?
Ma'am, area of trapezium ABFG.
Trapezium. Which one? ABFG.
ABFG.
ABFG. Very good. Okay. Plus area of
Rectangle BCDF.
BC. Area of rectangle BCFG. Okay. Now next one. Area of
Trapezium
ADFG.
ADFG.
Very good. See, we can split everyone. We can split this complete shape into 3 parts. First part, second and third. 3 shapes we are having. Trapezium, rectangle, again trapezium. Okay. So I am writing here all these shapes. A, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now, please tell me, Ashpreet, mute yourself. Very good, Ashpreet. Now let me ask. Dharya. Dharya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dharya, in this trapezium formula is 1 by 2 into B1 plus B2 into height. Okay. Now please tell me, B1, B2 are given in this trapezium. B1, B2 are given in this trapezium. Dharya. Yes. What is given? B1, B2 is given how much? First of all, I want to tell you that some students don't know how we can able to take out B1, B2. There, this is a shape, trapezium. How I can take this as B1? B1, B2 are the parallel sides. Either it is given in this way or it is given in this way. See to it, no, which are the parallel sides? These two are the parallel sides. Okay, what is B1, B2?
B1 13 centimeter and B2 5 centimeter.
Yes, 5 centimeter. And what is the height? Height of trapezium?
Height.
This is the height. Okay, this is given to you. Height is?
6 centimeter.
Height is 6 centimeter. Okay, similarly, take out the, now please unmute mute yourself quickly. Mute yourself. Yes. Jaideep. Jaideep, quickly unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Jaideep, please tell me, this is a rectangle. Okay, so rectangular formula is?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Very good. Now please tell me, what is the length and breadth?
Length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter.
Very good. Now next is area of this trapezium. In this trapezium, B1, B2 is given to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me.
B1 is 11 centimeter and B2 is 5 centimeter.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay, and what is the height? Height.
Ma'am, height is 4 centimeter.
Very good. Sometimes height is given inside the shape. Sometimes it is given outside. So this is also a height. Dharya was confused in this. How I can take out the height? Very good. So in this way, very good. Please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. In this way, you have take out the area one by one. Okay? I haven't take out the answer. Take it by on. Very simple. Just you have to calculate now. Okay? Area of this trapezium, this rectangle, and this trapezium. Everything is given. Okay? Take out the answer and add all the areas. Right? Last question we'll discuss by tomorrow in the class. And then I'll give you 1 to 2 questions to do by on in the class. Okay? Bye-bye and take care all of you. Do your work very nicely at home. Do practice of these questions at home. Okay. Take care all of you.